Hello and welcome to your most important 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Our guest today is Laura Welzenbach, Head of Export at Ars Electronica. Hello Laura and hello Austria.
Hi Sorin, and thank you so much for having me.
How can art be a real science experience?
I think the beautiful thing that art can make is like becoming an experience for the people. So art becomes science when it translates particular complex narratives of science into an experience, so people then know from a different angle why the scientific element is important or interesting. So art is a storyteller. Art helps us understand, and through that art helps us to navigate. And science is very complex, and it's good that it's complex, and we are only at the beginning of like exploring very, very many interesting intersections, and art can help us understand science, and art can help us explore science from a very different interdisciplinary approach.
You at Ars Electronica say that you are storytellers. Tell me a recent story that captivated you.
We have a current artist in residence, Masha Ru, who is, for example, like working at the very, very interesting art-science intersection. Their project is about compost as superfood. So it thinks about how compost, biodegradable nutrition compost, can be like translated into eatable food again. So it's like going through the cycle of becoming something bad that would make us sick, become something that is nutrition and helps us be like healthy even. So it's a very interesting approach where like science comes in and it allows us to reutilize resources that are here already. And the art component is here, just like this different kind of like thinking that allows us to explore that, and then also have like some sort of like exhibition experience that allows us to encounter this idea of this like beautiful, beautiful cycle that can be explored.
Listen to me just a bit. So the compost and the nutritions that are inside are the science part. Maybe the taste is the art part.
I like that actually, because it's also interesting to study that Masharu is like encountering now, is like really also go through these different levels of like smell and what the smell of the compost tells us.
Can art inspire science, or is vice versa?
It has to be both ways, right? Like this is always the element that is mostly expected, that art is only the storyteller, and I put only under quotes. It always supports each other and one gives the other. It's interesting to really explore this two-directional method when it comes to really also trying to get into elements that we didn't necessarily think of before. So it allows us, if we open in this two-directional method, to explore new elements.